Let's make a DIY seating pad for your outdoor winter-based activities with free materials, and you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. A reusable, resealable baggie, like this gallon-sized baggie, or larger. Some flexible foam like what I have right here for insulation. This could be an old sweater, especially if it's wool. You can reuse that too. Some mylar foil type of material like what I have here. It could also be something like this that came from packaging. It could be something like this, which is actually a foil balloon. Good way to reuse this stuff. Or some foil material that came off some lids, but you'll need a little bit more. Reusable baggie. Cut your foam, your insulation to fit the baggie. Put it inside. And fold it if you have to, right? And in between, you slide in that reflective material right here. So it takes up all the surface area right here. You can put in more if you want to. And basically, in a nutshell, this is what you would use as a seating pad to help you out in outdoor activities, like if you go tobogganing, sledding, something that you have to sit outside for long periods of time. An outdoor sporting event, for example. Maybe even sitting at a park for a period of time. And you can add this into your car kit, into your car, so just in case your heater's not working or it takes a long period of time to heat up your vehicle, you can sit in your vehicle and have something warm to sit on in the meantime. The air pockets in the foam will hold the heat, and basically the mylar reflective material will kind of reflect it back to you to keep your tush warm. And you can add this into your go bag, your emergency type of bag if you want to, just in case. And with that car kit, if you're gonna change a tire, you can kneel on this so you don't have to get your knees wet, your pants wet, for example. No, so this is a barrier towards the ground. And as our world changes, we can adapt too. Our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. Stay warm out there, everyone.